Dear friends, Giants Group of Juhu executed the project of distributing 183 bags and container cartons of clothes, utensils, and other needy items to needy people through Jeevan Jyot Cancer Relief and Care Trust. Let us hear out our President Bankim Shah and our senior dignitaries. Hello, we are from Giants Group of Juhu, and we are handing over. All our seniors are there, and we are handing over a big quantity of big 180 bags, cartons of utensils, cloths, toys, etc. To Jeevan Jyot Cancer Care and Relief Trust today. This has been this is a ongoing. That is a lot of medicine cartons. So this is our ongoing project, and we thank our immediate former president Harini Shah. She has contacted everybody. She not she viraled messages. She contacted. She fantastically communicated, and from Thana to Virar and Neptensi Road and Kolaba and Mira Road and so many western and central railway places. Virar also she told that we got things from, and she has to literally stop people temporarily to so that they can give it in the next month because the storage area at her compound was totally full. We are also having from Giant Welfare Foundation our branch officers. We have a vice president Anup Bhai Shah with us, and we are thankful for to him also. He has also taken so much of pains, and we have got a Nainaban Khatiwala also with us. It was so nice. She is present today. So we have Ekta, Nainaban's daughter. Okay. So do guys, please, you see this, see how much it is loading is happening every month, and this time it is a record break. And thanks to Harini Ben, this is like phenomenal amount of loading. And see, she was attending 60 calls, 270 calls per day. She was not getting time for her household duties. So actually, keep giving this in a long run, and of course you have to coordinate with her in a proper way. And this is going to be a very big project. You can see former President Harini Shah's building compound fully occupied with bags and cartoons from her contacts. They consist of gents, ladies, children clothes, bed sheets, woolen clothes, utensils, crockeries, games, toys, shoes, chappals, electronic items, and etc. And all these items are old but in good usable condition. Once again, I thank our Giant Welfare Foundation branch dignitaries Anup Shah and Naina Khatiwala. I thank Harini Shah who made this mega project possible. I thank President Bankim Shah and Ekta Khatiwala to be present. We thank Jeevan Jyot staff, Mr. Lad and other. We the whole society staff, Mr. Ankit, security man, and many others behind the scene. Jeevan Jyot Trust, under the great leadership of Harakchand Savlaji, has a network with many hospitals and needy people. They systematically and judiciously distribute these items to poor and needy. They distribute to migrants, needy hospital patients, and natural calamity struck people in the state of Maharashtra. You can see the ambulance van of Jeevan Jyot is full, but still huge number of cartons are left in the electric room of the building. So on our request, Jeevan Jyot van came not only second time that day at 11 p.m. but third time in the midnight. So once again, our group appeals people at large to contribute and join our noble cause and movement. Your little help can bring smiles on many needy and poor people. Thank you for watching this video very patiently.